Hello, I am Dr. Siddhartha, Smiledental. Today we are going to look at the different stages of dental caries, commonly known as dental decay. The first stage is called a dental pit. In this stage, the teeth often presents with a small hole on the tooth surface. It often goes unnoticed as it does not cause any pain or any discomfort to the public. The second stage after the dental pit, in which the pit widens a little and causes mild discomfort or mild pain sometimes. This is called a classical dental decay stage. In this stage, although treatment is required, it often goes unnoticed as well as lack of awareness in the common public. The third stage after the classical dental decay results in grossly dental decayed teeth, in which the tooth causes heavy pain and heavy discomfort due to infectious stages. In this stage, the teeth often goes to the treatment procedures like root canal procedure. So, the common public have to make prior notice of the oncomings and prevent it as soon as possible, because always prevention is better than cure.